I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute little princess. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel Nanny Julie and you won't miss my new cute drawing lessons. Now let's look at the picture.
Oh look, she's so cute! I like your shiny dress very much. I will cut that drawing out to my paper princess collection. Oh, they're so beautiful! She has a head, eyes, smile, long wavy hair, arms, dress and a cape. Now let's start drawing. The first step we are gonna draw is her head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here. Draw a big U shape for her head. Yes, that's it. Now we draw a slightly asymmetric parting. Small diagonal line. Yes, great! Let's draw her hair with a bunch of wavy lines. Follow me. Here. Here. Great, yes, a couple more. Excellent! 2 dots for her eyes. The first and the second. U shape for her beautiful smile. And 2 ovals for blush in her cheeks. Let's choose pink pencil. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and take extra time. 2 small. Great! Vertical lines for her neck. Great! Now it's time for her shoulders. Yes. That's it. 2 diagonal lines for her body. And 2 bigger diagonal lines for her dress. Great! You see, it's almost like a big upside-down V shape. And line for bottom of her dress. Now we are gonna draw arms. Left one. And right one. Two small ovals for her palm. 2 small ovals. Oh, I like your princess. She's so cute. But she needs a beautiful cape. 1 long wavy line from her shoulder to the left. And to the right. 2 lines for a bottom. Great! Let's finish her beautiful hair with wavy lines. Here, here. Oh, you're doing great! Yes, that's it. And let's decorate her dress and cape with diamonds. Rhombus for beautiful shiny diamond. We draw rhombus like that. Upside down V shape and V shape. Upside down V shape and V shape. You see, it's a rhombus. I draw a big one over here and a smaller over here. add one here. Do you like shiny diamonds? Is her dress shiny enough? Oh no, we add some more. Here, here, and more, more. More. Here. And here. Oh, I think that's enough. But you can add more if you want.
That's the way to go, you did it! Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like.
Today she is in white dress and blue cape. I have a lot of princesses in different dresses on my channel. Subscribe and check it out. Now I choose blue for her cape, tracing and coloring inside. Oh, your Elsa is so beautiful. Tracing again and coloring. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Oh, you're doing great! I like your cape! Then tracing again on the right side. Try to stay inside the line. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. I believe in you. Oh, that's it. You're doing great. Then I choose yellow for her hair. Try to stay inside the lines. Tracing again. Oh, your hair is so beautiful. And I choose shiny pen for diamonds. Then I choose orange for skin and coloring inside the head. Head, neck, shoulders and palm on the left side and on the right side. And let's add some more diamonds. Oh, they're so shiny. Beautiful. Oh, I like your cape and dress. More diamonds.
Wow, your princess is so good! I want to see it so much! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring page. All links in the description under the video. See you! Bye bye!